Come on now, what's in the morning? How you doing? How you doing? Wait for the call this time. Go close to me. Come here, you come on. Come here, what's in the morning? But I move.
You turn my happiness into nightmare. Life,
Don't make me feel. No respect your friend. Respect yourself. You don't rush person like that, you know what I'm saying?
I am a daughter of my mother. Life, what have I done? You took everything, you took them away from me. Life, oh life. Life, what have I done to you? Life, what have I done? You took everything, you took them away from me.
Jesus. What's happening? What did happen for them? What did happen? Where did you get? Where did you get? He don't move, he don't move. Where did... Hola. God. Shit. What is up? Talk. Afana.
You will be stay outside now. Let's go inside.
I'm waiting for Juliet. I sent her guy the egg since. Till now, I've not seen her.
Like this time, you still not got the egg. What is up to Palapu for?
What is her voice?
Mama!
That is Juliet's voice. Juliet! What is this?
What happened to you? What happened to you?
You were what? Anyway, where is the guy? The egg I asked you to buy for me.
Look at that! Look me on my way!
They what? They block you on your way. I said, come back and buy me my daddy egg.
When you see that she was but you asked her to go and buy you another daddy. Yes, sorry, can't let me go and wash you up. Sorry. All this is that is not fair. Sorry.
Hey, come, Julia, where is my money? Where is my money? Mama, what? They took my money. Hey, double wahala for you. So dragon filled me. These guys feel me. I asked them to kill her, not to rape her. I must go collect my money. I must go and give her my money. She is so inventive.
Alpha, talk join no dey hear me. How magic body. Me, I did get to. But I'll soon move come off for here. I'll soon move come off for Kaba. So me will come meet you. How body they go now? I'll say improvement dey o. I beg. I don't want more.
Hey!
No.
End that call!
I dey call you back.
End that call!
Mama, this one when you dey bust, that's my get to like this. You don't say it clear.
Dragon. I send you message when you buy that girl. And I said you go sleep with her. Oh, why you be say, oh, me una dey useless? We're gonna be the same. Why?
Metete. See, Mama, don't be say we don't know our work, but no worry. Next time when we go carry that your small when they phone smart, so you not go escape her again. Let me tell you. If it's like matter, say my boy don't even sustain injury. Ask me how you dey talk so. He dey hospital. He dey take treatment. That if I come up for here now, I want mad SSS. Mama, don't worry. That your small so I go meet him.
You dey hear yourself talk. They hear yourself if they talk. If you catch them again, not go escape. You dey hear yourself. Anyway, that will not be the reason why I come. Oh. The reason why I come is say, may you give me my money. Dragon, give me my money.
See, Mama, see. I know they cry, I know me say, I know they shed tears. Oh. See, as I dey here, so see. No point. Which money? Hey, Mama, if as I dey see you so, be like your visa don't expire. Can't they go? Your visa don't expire.
You say what? Dragon, talk am again. You say what? Make I come they go. No worry, I go. If I call you not give my money, next time when I call you not give my money, I'll put that for your body. What?
Come on, for here. You said that. Oh, make they use me. They see your back.
May I come out? You go hear from me. You go hear from me. You are not saying the Betty. Now you jam. You go hear from me.
See how it be. See this woman. Oh. See, I go tell you say tomorrow pikin when your mama they say akara, no they start fat. And pikin when your mama they say egg, no they start fat. See, I go tell you that. What you do?
What is the wrong for you?
Mama, the ballet for you.
I said what did happen? Who be that woman wey pass just now?
Mama, you know the woman. I know sabi the woman.
The woman wey pass, if I say face, look like sample for this cabbage.
Yes, no. The face na sample for this man.
What did they go on? You know your voice.
That even be the matter so. He just give us more pekere job when we say no even reach boy take bad charge car. You come here now. Auto say the way the matter take PlayStation yesterday.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Where the money?
Mama, the money. Boys don't use that one as see front.
Shh. I said where the money?
The money not reach anything. We don't use that one as see front.
You want that? Then they worry you. You want that?
No, Mama.
You don't want that?
Mama,
You want that?
Mama.
You don't want that? Go down!
Mama.
Go down!
Mama.
Go down, go down! The next time you try this kind of thing, the next time, you go to a path for grave.
No, be like Mama.
You go to a path for grave. And they worry you. My money for my cabbage.
Mama, beg go. Mama, not vessel.
There.
Okay, Mama.
I won't kill you.
I ever lawyer, Mama.
Shut up!
Okay, Mama.
And they come back.
Shit. Which kind small shit we call a stay can be this one? This woman want you draw my leg come out for this smoke pekere job. Let me say that woman go down there. Shit. You want me Jago? Let that for grand. You want me Jago? Shit. Hey. For this cover. The woman go collect what.
Customer.
Senior.
How na I be now?
I do.
Why you delay today now?
No vex, no be my fault. You know say I fit go sell round now. No vex.
My oga, we know my oga not get wife again. And it is 3 days, another shop.
No vex, no vex. I be your favorite.
I trust you. See chicken.
Customer.
Wait. How you go tell my kitchen here?
I take your food.
Enough, help me.
What?
Are you out of your mind, Samson?
Wait.
Imagine.
Madam, Oga me not call this compound again. I don't know if they found for you. What happened?
Well, I'm here to see my husband. Because I'm pregnant for him.
Hey! Hey! But first, I need to go inform her before I'll give you permission to come.
Please don't stress a pregnant woman, please.
Because I make you be better. Okay!
That's what's the issue.
Madam, they outside. I don't know what you carry call.
Later.
Bye. Permission granted.
You Faith, what are you doing in my house?
I'm at my husband's house. Can't I pay my husband a gift?
Are you mad? Who's your husband? I can't remember getting married to you.
You are my husband. Because I'm carrying your one child. Wait, touch it. Okay, don't want. I'm coming. Let me come out.
Now,
You're going to be fast.
listen, Benin. Stop it! Take that bastard you call the child out of my house. The next time I see you here again, you won't believe my actions. Something!
Oga!
What are you doing outside?
Oga, be the bad food though.
Babe, see, now food I know some people cannot keep it.
Please take her out and lock my gate.
Okay.
Dirty boy, don't touch me. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. No, baby, I'm pregnant, please.
Come on. That's how you cook last 2 months. I go wake up for cemetery for food where you cook. Oga.
Samson.
I bet my food, man.
Samson. Yes, sir. Always lock these gates, please.
That's nice.
Juliet, why are you vomiting? Are you okay?
Juliet has killed me.
Mama, what?
Juliet has killed me.
What happened?
Juliet! Mama. Juliet, so you are pregnant?
What? No, Mama.
Hey! Juliet has killed me. So all this time you'll be going to the market, you'll be sleeping around, going from one man to the other.
No, Mama. I can't be pregnant.
Juliet,
Mama. Who is responsible for your pregnancy?
Mama, I said it. I told you, she's a prostitute.
this is an evidence. Who is responsible for your pregnancy? Who is responsible for your pregnancy? Who is responsible? Who is responsible? Juliet. So you are pregnant?
No, Mama. And she's still denying it.
I am lying now. No, I am lying. No, Mama. Juliet, I am lying. Pregnancy is written all over you.
Talk.
You will sleep outside. You will sleep here. You will sleep out. You are ready to tell me who is responsible. Mama. You will be here.
Mama, please. I'm not pregnant. Not again.
again. I'm tired. What kind of life is this? Mama, please, I'm not pregnant. Please.
This month, I will not blame that engineer. That man wasted our time and everything. But if I get hold of him...
Brother, calm down. Like I said, I understand how you feel. So what's the next option we're going to do? Are we going to look for a new engineer or what?
But the thing now is, I need an engineer before the week runs out.
Okay.
I don't have time.
Okay. So we're talking about time here now to execute this contract.
Yes.
So what we're going to do is that we're going to look for a new engineer that is going to give us what we want. You get me?
Okay.
You get my point. So what happened the other time? You remember? So it won't repeat itself again. You get me? Like I said, calm yourself down. Let's look for a new engineer that is going to give us what we want. Since there is huge amount of money involved in this. You get me?
Let's just forget about this whole issue before I start thinking of something else. But meanwhile, I'm sorry I didn't offer you anything.
Oh, you're talking about a drink or something. Forget about it. We're talking about money and talking about drink.
Thanks for your understanding. Thanks for your understanding.
Understand you,
appreciate it.
Here you are. Juliet.
Mama.
After feeding your bastard son, make sure you wash my clothes.
Mama, please stop. Stop calling my son a bastard.
Hey! Is he not a bastard? Tell me, who is the father? Anyway, as I said earlier, after feeding your bastard, make sure you wash my clothes.
Like, so you're not a bastard. You hear me? You're everything to me. You're everything to me.
You have given me one. You have given me. One you have given me. One you've been sleeping around. You never told me that you are a prostitute. Now you've contracted HIV.
Mama, you want to kill me?
One you've contracted HIV. Come.
This is my fault. Mama, leave me now.
Mama. Mama. Go home. It's me and you today.
You want to kill me?
It's me and you today.
My guy.
Yes, more. What's up now?
Honestly, I'm just heading somewhere. I just parked my car somewhere. I just said, let me come and check you.
How far?
My guy, I've seen a good engineer. Seriously.
You don't mean it?
I've seen a good engineer, honestly. I even know his place. Okay. Yeah, I'll take it there now so that in case maybe he wants to run with your money. So you can know how I can track him. I told you, I got you.
Thank you.
I got you.
I owe you one.
Honestly, you owe me one.
But let's go inside.
You know what you give me?
Nah, sure, I know.
Understand?
I know. Problem.
You will be crying. What is it?
I asked you to fetch water in the house and you are here asking me questions. What's your problem?
I'm sorry, Mama. I will do just that as soon as possible.
So you have been doing prostitution in my house. I'm a prostitute.
Hey, Mama, you caused all this. Ever since you have been seeing me with boys hanging around, you never advised me to stop. All you ask for is money. Mama, if I have to die, so be it.
My investment. Hey.
Hello. How are you? Lady,
Where's that?
please, where is Cheesy Street?
Cheesy Street.
Yeah.
Okay. You take this straight, then the first one by your left.
Oh, please, excuse us now. Hello? Excuse us now. Please.
The thing is that my aunt sent me on an errand.
But if you don't mind, let me help you with your
No,
bag.
no,
let him
thank
assist
you.
you
Let me
now.
help you. Let me help you. Thank you.
Please, let's all up.
So what's your name?
My name is Juliet.
Juliet. You stay around this village? Thank you so much for everything. If not for you, I would have lost millions of naira.
It's okay. That's nothing. I left my son outside. I need to go.
Please stop now. But wait, Juliet. You have a son?
Yes.
I can't remember you telling me you were married.
It's a long story. You won't understand.
But wait, please let me walk you home.
No, they will kill me.
Nobody will kill you. Let me walk you home, please.
Oh, okay, let's go. Don't worry.
So you mean all this happened to you?
Yes.
Juliet, can I ask you for something, please?
What could that be?
Juliet, ever since I set my eyes on you, I fell in love with you. I love you so much. Will you marry me? Please.
Yes, I will. And I love you too,
Thank you.
Thank
you. Thank you. But what, my crying soul?
My son, will you take care of my son?
I'll take care of him. He's equally my son.
Why do you always like calling me crying so?
Call you my crying soul because whenever you talk to me and you start crying, it melts my heart.
Thank you.
I love you so much.
Love you too.
And you have to get your things tomorrow. I will need to come and see your parents. So you do the needful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Juliet. Mama, why are you arranging your clothes? Where are you going to?
Mama, I'm traveling.
Hey, traveling to where?
Mama, I don't know. I want to leave your house.
You don't know. You want to leave my house. Leave my house to where? Hey, Mama! Oh!
Mama!
Come fast!
Why is she packing and where is she going to?
She said she's traveling or she wants to leave my house.
So where now?
I don't know for her.
Joker. You are not going.
Drop the glass!
You are not going.
Mama, allow me to help.
Mama, stand up.
Leave me alone. Mama,
Shut up.
What have I done? Them away from me.
If that's your death, we can move out from
You turn my happiness into sadness. You turn my joy into pain. You turn my memories into nightmares. Life, oh life. them away from me. Lie, oh lie.
Please, I'm Andrew by name, and I'm looking for a lady called Juliet. Yes, Juliet.
Juliet.
Yes.
She traveled last night. She's no longer staying.
But we spoke yesterday.
I said she's no longer here, or am I lying? This is my daughter, Uwadiae by me. Don't you like her?
How do you mean?
What have I done? You took everything, you took them away from me. Lie, oh lie.
I don't know what I've done to them. I don't know what I've done.
Lie, what have I done to you? Lie, what have I done? You took everything, you took them away from me. Lie, oh lie.
Where's my baby?
Sorry.
Don't look at me like that. Do not look at me like that.
So, son, that was how I met my husband.
So, Mom, you are trying to tell me that Dad is not my biological father?
Yes. But I have to tell you the truth. Because you've grown up.
Even if Dad is not my biological father, but I know that he's my one and only father.
That's my son.
You're also my one and only son, and I love you so much.
Thank you, Dad.
Come here.
Them away from me. Lie, oh lie. You turned my happiness into sadness. You turned my joy